Hey guys, today we're going to be trying out the filter thing, whatever it's called. What is your name worth? Okay, let me try typing my name. Of course I'm not going to type my real name because I don't want anybody knowing my real name, so I'm just going to type my YouTube channel name, which is Snakehead. S-N-N-N Alright, N-A-K-E-H-E-A-D check mark. My name's worth $100. Okay, let's... How do you go back in this game? Alright guys, we're gonna type another name. So let's see. Let me try Max. M-A-X. X. 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 Are you kidding me? 3 X's? You know what? Let's just try that. Let's do V. Are you kidding me? No, I'm trying that again. You know what, guys? I am truly done with this because this thing is rigged and nobody should well, you can use it if you want, but I'm never using this filter again because this thing is rigged. Just kidding. Now let's type a new name. S-P-R-U-N-K-I. Sprunky, the game. See. $10. $10.00. If to anyone that doesn't know what Sprunky stands for, it actually stands for run away because of the run in the middle of Sprunky. If you take the S, P, K, and I out of Sprunky, it spells run. So yeah, I just want to remind you of that.